Howdy folks, my name is Jeff and I'm going to show you how to insert number grids into Microsoft Word. It's a pretty easy process and it's a great way to organize your numerical data, so let's check it out. And here we go. We're going to go right over to the Tables tab. It's right next to Document Elements and Charts. And this is a kind of a cool way of doing it. And you click on New and you're going to see a kind of a graph already appear there, and what you can do is drag your mouse over the number of grids that you want. You can do 2 by 2, you can do 3 by 3, 4 by 3, and wherever you bring your mouse, that is how big your chart will be. So I want to do one that is 3 by 8. That's what I want. So I'm going to click that, and boom, there it is. And then you can click the corner and you can adjust exactly how you want it. And then you can put numbers in it. Oh, that's not a number. Boom. And now that there's numbers in it, you have created a number grid. And that's how you insert number grids into Microsoft Word. I'm Jeff. Thank you for watching and good luck.